Hi, this is Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. We're working on a wire wrapped ring here. So this was in the ring. You could see the little lines here. These pieces of wire were holding on to this. And the customer originally had a white like stone piece of bone in this originally. That fell out. It was replaced with this, and it does not look anything quite like the original piece. So we got a piece of bone here. It's a cabochon, and about 16 millimeters by 13 millimeters, and that's going to rest in here. All right, so we're going to polish up the band. We're leaving this as is, the shape, and we're going to polish up first before we start with the bone. I had to straighten the pieces out. I annealed them, which was heating up the silver to make it softer, and then I'm going to glue these in on two sides, and then I'm going to wrap it around and then make contact with the wire on the other side and glue that in. So, but I have to polish this first before I start any gluing. That's where the metal's going to end up making contact. So it's going to end up having these ends here on this wire making contact with my indents. I'm going to use a series of burrs, round burrs, and a drill to remove a little bit of material, so that way the metal from this wire will make contact and hopefully sit in there nice. Here I'm using a 2-part epoxy. I'm going to apply it to the bone and to this wire to get the initial set. We have the piece of bone. It has this 2 wires pre-glued. We're gonna put the stone in here and then wrap this around and bring it to the other side and connect it to the other 2 holes. Our 2 ends have been pushed into the holes there and there. So we're just like the other side. We're gonna glue these in, and basically these wires wrapping around this wire here, the main support wire of the ring, that's what's holding this in. So there needs to be, with how this ring was designed and made, it needs to have enough glue to be able to bond this piece to the metal. We finished up gluing this ring, the stone onto this ring. Definitely a unique piece, definitely set different. There wasn't really any true prongs, bezel, or that kind of stuff. It's all wire, and all of this detail work, it actually is, there's wires underneath. Thanks for tuning in, Eric with Forge Gone Conclusions. Definitely check us out, our website, forgegoneconclusions.com, and like, share, subscribe, and check out more of our videos. Appreciate it. Take care.